at Bobby Combs RV Center. Check out this all-inclusive, all-new Catalina Trailblazer. It is a 29 THS, which means toy hauler, slide. It's a cool layout. Let's go check this thing out. This Catalina is all equipped with solar. You got your monitor in here with that Go Power. The front of the trailer has a toy lock. This is the first one I've seen with one of these. You just pull your toy right up and hook her on. Nobody can steal it. Dual propane tanks and electric tongue jack. There's your slide out. You've got your loading area, your toy hauler that folds down, turns into a party deck as well. You can tie your little fur babies here so they don't get loose. You have double entry doors, one to the toy room and one for the inside part. Tandem axle. You have LED colorful lights on your awning. Nice big awning. Comes with a Wi-Fi router. Check out that stereo system, JBL. You got a sound system in here. Dual access on your bed so you don't have to climb over each other to get in. Nice large dinette. That's what your slide's on. Check out this board. It dims, it lights up, everything is digital on it. It's pretty cool. That's how you turn on the lights and off the lights. Nice long hallway, bathroom door, door to the back room where your toys will be stored or whoever sleeps back there. Large bathroom, got lots of room up in here. The colors in here are neutral. They are great. Let's enter this back room. Glass door so you can see everything. You can sleep back here, put those up. You got a big old toy room to put your side-by-side in, or quads, or dirt bikes. Those are for your party deck. So you got your little railing, folds out. You can load with it. You can hang out, have a drink. Stop on by or give us a call. Come check this bad boy out today.